Hey everybody, it's your girl, Raven, and I came up with a really dumb idea. So we all remember Guide to Troubled Birds. I decided I was going to use my voice while it's nice and deep like this and read all of them. I'm currently laying on my bed with my laptop projecting onto the TV. So yeah, this is just going to be a nice, shitty video. My computer mic doesn't work anymore, and I bought a new one. Doesn't work either. I mean, it does, but it's not good. So recording again with my phone. Plus, also it's just easier to record with my phone. TBH. Oh god, I use text talk in real life. Anyway, The Mincing Mockingbird: Guide to Troubled Birds. Profusely illustrated. I'm 3 ounces of whoop-ass. He had a violent, uncontrolled temper, which sent him literally insane when he was annoyed, but he was good-looking. My emotions have 3 outlets: haughty silence, tears, and rage. He told me I would never forget him, as long as the two of us would live. His eyes demanded an answer. I had overcome my desire to laugh. I can't read this one. What does it say? Something. I can't. I literally can't read that one. I feel witchcraft upon me. A meat cleaver, he thought. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am a dirty bird. God can't help you now. The drinks came. I wasn't about to be sobered by anything like regret. That's a crazy idea. Insane. It doesn't make sense. You'll do it? Of course, I replied. My modus operandi is dial up the awesome and break the knob off. I disemboweled. It's what I do. He gave them the heebie-jeebies. He had nothing else to give. My mating dance is mostly seizures. Sup? Foie gras this motherfucker. She was lovely and charming, almost a saint. She told me she enjoyed laughter and dancing, opera, jazz, and getting very, very, very high. I am often seized by the fatal American need to have a pretty good time. I love you, despite the warning signs. Dealing with you is like herding cats. I had on my prettiest dress, and he never even looked at it. For God's sakes, that's all I could think of to say. This jackassery will not stand! They might have passed a very pleasant evening had shit not gotten real. You've been through hell and come out singing. My crazy runs wide and it runs deep. Perhaps you can do something about the evil spirit in my head. This was a topsy-turvy world of anguish, shame, and self-torment. Oh, you're an artist. Can I nest in your cleavage? Finally, he gathered himself together and spoke. What the hell? I preen for Satan. I'd sell you to Satan for 1 corn chip. Put the dipping sauce down. This is wonderful. This is going to be fine. I love this. I was soon to change my mind, however. Oh, and that's it. So, yeah. Thanks for listening to me read Troubled Birds. I don't know if this is all of it. Maybe one day I'll buy the book and do this again. In the meantime, thanks to Tinkerbell for posting all of these lovely images on Imgur, the Mincing Mockingbird Guide to Troubled Birds, profusely illustrated. He had a wait, hold on. He had a violent, I don't. Oh, it's uncontrolled. It looked like that L was an I. My modus operandi is a. Wait. I'm trying so hard not to laugh. This, by the way, is what inspired me to do this. I was reading these out loud for Lord of the Rings post, and this one just it just got to me, and I figured I might as well read this all in my man voice. She was lovely and charming, almost a saint. She told me she enjoyed laughter and dancing, opera, Jaws. Wait, sorry. I can hear someone in the bathroom right now, which is right next to my bedroom, and they can probably hear all of this. At this point, I feel like I'm just doing a Cecil Baldwin impression.